Today I'm going to go ahead and paint my security door in my home. My wife's not liking it. It's already rusted up. It's got blemishes and it's white. She wants to change it to the same color as the door. The door is more like an aqua. They call it Brooklyn Blue, I believe, at Home Depot. But this is the door itself right here. And you can see it has rust everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to try and get it to match this color. So here we are again. I'm going to go ahead and put on my safety stuff first and let's get this party started. I'm also going to wet the door a bit just so that less dust, of course, make it easier for sanding as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get the water hose. Now finishing up the bottom half, using a chair makes it a lot easier. Makes it a lot easier for doing these jobs for long periods of time when you're low. Like since I said I have a knee problem, I can't necessarily be on my knees. It's really hard to go down and get back up again. Took my glove off. I was trying to get these smaller nooks, but the glove is so thick, it's not allowing me to press this into the corners very easily, into the nooks, so I'm doing it by hand. Right now I'm going to just go ahead and finish up the rest of the door as far as sanding it down, and then get back with you again once I start taping it up and drying it in the taping that are left behind. And then I have to start taping off all the surfaces I want to protect and not paint. Make sure, this is the color I'm trying to go for, but I don't want to get this fresh paint on top of this coat because this one's already cured. It'll just peel right off anyways, but I really don't want to get it on the surfaces like the wood right here because this will stick to it. So when I went ahead already and put all the tape on and the paper, pretty much to protect the door and the corners, just so I don't get any overspray. When I spray the inside of the door, I'm going to go ahead and just put the cardboard right here. I'm going to start with this end first, just to get this out of the way. 25 minutes. 25 minutes. And I got the door pretty much done. Everything's painted evenly. The inner framing. Did get a little paint on the floor. Got to clean that up. Besides that, I let her dry for a bit, and then reassemble the hardware. As you can see, I do have some overspray, but that easily with the pressure washer, I can get that off right now. This side's okay. I got most of the paint off the floor itself. I'm gonna pressure wash this line right here too, but I'm gonna do the wall first. Besides that, she's done pretty much. She'll be fully cured in a couple days, and I don't have to worry about her. I know, and up there too, I got a little overspray. So yeah, well, thank you for watching, and you know, if you liked what you saw, just follow, subscribe, and till my next video. Thank you.